So I'm unboxing the mirror case for the 11 Pro Max. I already have one in purple, and because it's silicone, I couldn't glue on my pop socket. So I glued it with glue, and it worked, but then when I took it off, it like scratched up my case and stuff like that. So I wanted to get another one. And this one that I got today is the Pink Sand. It's the Pink Sand silicone case, silicone mirror case. And I actually found a way to put a ring on it, like a ring holder, without super glue, and I'll make another video for that. But I love these cases. I feel like they're durable, they're strong. I like this color. I feel like it looks good with the gold phone. But it does protect my phone, and it feels good in my hand, and I definitely love it and would recommend it.